This is a highly requested video, and it's a two-strand flat twist out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this, and I hope I got this positioned properly, good enough for you all to be able to see it. I've been standing around trying to figure out how to get this in the best view I can, but this is the best one I came up with. So let me tell you the products, because my hair is freshly washed, and I washed it and conditioned it with, as you know, I've been using the Nexus Clean and Pure line. So it's the shampoo and the conditioner. So I've already done my shampoo and my conditioner. I've already done my leave-in conditioner, which is my Hair Milk by Carol's Daughter, one of my favorites. I've already done that. And for my styling foam that I'm going to use today it's going to be from the Nexus Pure and Clean line. And I got this the other day. I just was like, well, let me try it and see how it is. So I've used it once or twice, and I'm already at halfway. So by the time I finish this, it'll probably be almost 3/4 of the way done. Well, I've just gotten a trim from my stylist. I always go and get my stylist to cut my hair or trim it. I don't even play around with the scissors on my own head. I'm willing to do some things, other things I'm not. I leave to the pros, and clipping my ends and cutting it is one of the things I leave to the pros. So I've gone and gotten a fresh little clipping, and we're going to start in on this. What I'm going to do is what I normally do is I'll put the styling foam all over my head. I've changed that. I kind of let my hair dry a little bit before, or it is still damp in here, but it's not as wet as it normally would be. So as I part my hair and get ready to twist, I will add the styling foam at that time to each section as I do it. Okay, I have my tangle brush here. That's what I'm going to use. I don't part my hair because I don't want to have the parts in my hair when well, it's still going to have a little definition of different, you know, from where you flat twist it down, but I don't have the part so evident in my head. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. So I kind of just pull my hair over to the side, finger part it. And I hope you guys will be able to see this. Just finger part. And I'm going to show you. And I'm going to use my big clips to hold my hair. I take my tangle brush and I kind of make sure I detangle it. Now I will be using my rods, and this problem I use quite a bit. And I basically put it to the ends of my hair. Not too much on my hair, but on the ends. And now I begin to twist. Then I finger it through. And I'm about to start twisting. I come up to the edge of my hair. And this one I'm going to twist going down. Going down this way. So, and it's just it's a two-strand twist. So I get two pieces and I twist it. And then come around, and it's, depending on how long your hair is, I don't take the twist all the way to the ends of my hair. I take it about right here. My hair is pretty short in the back, so I don't take it all the way down. So then I use an end paper because I'm going to use a roller to roll the end of my hair. So now I just use the roller, roll it up, And that's the first one. And when I finish, I'll come a little closer so you'll be able to see it all the way. I basically use this hairstyle. I do this hairstyle like after when I'm trying to stretch my relaxer as much as possible before I do another relaxer. And I'm gonna do this one in the same direction. If you cornrow your hair, you kind of understand the technique. Get my rod, get my end paper, then get my rod. And the reason I don't twist it all the way to the end, well, it's not a real reason. I just prefer the look of it when I don't twist it to the end and then put a rod on it. The rod give it a nice little curly look. Because the back of my hair is so short, so the back look, you know, nice and curly. Now what I am going to do, because I wear my hair more over to my left side, so anything on this side I'm going to take and twist it going downwards. So as I was saying, I'm sorry, because I was saying about doing it overnight. You know, do it as early as possible and then just sleep on it overnight, take it out the next day, you know, and there you go. You don't even have to use a hair dryer or anything. So it becomes a heatless hairstyle. I'm going to take this one downward too. So I'm going to twist this one going down. I'm taking it to the left. So here we go. One strand. Then I go to the second one. Finger through. Poke that one through. It's just a 2-strand. Twist. Finger over and over. Down the back. That's that. That's what the back is looking like. Okay, this is the look after I've twisted down my hair and added the rods. So this is the front. This is my left. This is the back. This is the right. And you know I added a little roller because I left out a little hair. So I'll be back with you guys once my hair dry and do a takedown. So I already have my makeup on and it's time to start taking her down. So let's start. I'll take the rollers out. All the rollers are out. Time to start taking down. I start by using some 100% pure argan oil. This is from Shea Moisture. So I put it on my fingers, rub it between my fingers, and put it on my ends and start untwisting. And at this time, it'll be a good time if you have a dry scalp, would be to go ahead and oil your parts. That would be great. And it definitely helps me to extend my relaxer. So right now I'm going to put a little bit more oil on my hand, and then I'm going to take this all over the hair. And this is where the magic begins, the magic pick. This is where it begins. So you can begin fluffing. Now, my hairstyle is more to where it's in a bob and it's shorter in the back. So this is what it looks like right now from me just taking it down. And now we shall begin our lift. And you lift it as much as you want to lift it. And I always like a little hair to the front, and then I just sweep it over. I can always take this part out. That is my look, and you just keep fluffing till you want to continue to fluff this as much as you want it to fluff. And there we go. I love the hairstyle. This is the front. This is my left. And like I say, you can fluff this out as much as you want. This is the left. This is the back. And you see how it makes it look curly in the back, because my back is very short. Then this is my this is my right. And once again, back to the front. So if it was just parted down the middle, it would just be equal on each side. If I took it over to the right, it would be the same. Depending on where you want this to lay your part, depends on how much definition you get on one side. So I like to get as much hair on one side, get one side fuller than the other side. So yeah. Well, that's the end of my video today. I hope you liked it. And oops, I'm sorry. Let me go back. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and take the time to watch a couple of more videos. And if you like what you see, please do me a favor and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any and all of my videos first. And for all those who have taken the time to come and see me again and again and again, thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. And to my old time subbies, thank you for riding with me and being there. Now, if you have any suggestions, I enjoy doing suggestions, you know, or things you products you want me to try and see how they work, let me know. Just comment down below and I definitely will get to do those for you. I definitely want to ask you all, please like, because liking the video lets YouTube know you like these videos and you want more of the videos. So please do click that like button as well. Well, guys, thank you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Mm.